Hello guys, welcome again. This is Tech PVA. Thanks for joining me. In this video, we will look at how to bypass a Windows login password, what some people would refer to as hacking a Windows password. In other words, we will log into the PC without typing the password to the user account on that particular Windows computer. If you are doing this for the right reasons, and yes, it should always be for the right reasons, because hacking someone else's PC using this technique is always wrong. For instance, if you are someone who has forgotten his or her Windows password and logged yourself out, you want to watch this video to learn how you can get around this particular issue. We are going to use a tool called the Hirens Boot CD to perform this task. This tool is an ISO image file, so we will use Rufus to create a bootable drive by burning it onto a USB flash drive, and as such you would need a flash drive to perform this task. An 8 gig drive would be fine. So let's get straight into it. To begin with, let's download the tool by opening a browser and then typing in the address bar hirensbootcd.org. Press enter when you're done to load the website. So you can read a little bit about the Hirens Boot CD tool. From there, you click the download button at the top to view the Hirens Boot CD and all of its content. So these are all the tools that you can find in the Hirens Boot CD. But what we're going to focus on in this video is the tools under the security and passwords. So we have 3 tools we're going to look at in this video. To download the file, click the hbcd pex64.iso. Click on it to begin downloading the ISO file of the Hirens Boot CD. It's quite a huge file, so you want to give it some time for it to complete the download. When that is done, the next thing we're going to do is to download the tool we're going to use to burn that Hirens Boot CD tool onto the USB flash drive. So type Rufus download, click on the first link. When the Rufus website loads, you want to scroll down, and then under download you can select the version that you want. There's the x64 or the 64-bit version, and then also the 32-bit version. Select which one your PC supports to download it. That one is a small file, so it shouldn't take that long to download. Click on it to run the Rufus application, and then from here you want to connect your USB flash drive. It should be an 8 gig USB flash drive. So connect it to your PC, and then it should be detected under devices in the Rufus application. The next thing we are going to do is to click on the select button to browse the PC. From there, select the Hirens Boot CD ISO file we downloaded earlier. Click the open to load it into the Rufus application. So check your settings, the partition scheme. If you are going to run this on an older PC, you want to select the MBR, but this particular one I'm doing is on a fairly newer computer, so I'll leave it at the GPT. Click the start, and then you will get this warning. Click OK. Click OK again on this for the Rufus to begin creating the bootable USB drive with the Hirens Boot CD tool. Give it some time for it to be done creating the bootable file, and then from there you want to eject the USB drive and then plug it into the PC. You want to bypass the password, or you want to bypass the login. So I'll close this, eject the pen drive from this my laptop, and then insert it, plug it into this particular PC. So this is the PC I want to bypass the login. So that is the login or the user account I want to bypass. So you can clearly see that this user account, the training user account, has a password on it. So I intentionally showed you that this computer or this user account has a password. So click the user account, click sign out. When we are done with this, we're going to clear the password from this user account, so we wouldn't need to enter any password again to log into the training user accounts. So click the power icon at the bottom right, click restart, because we are going to need to boot into the Hirens Boot CD bootable disk that we just created earlier. This is a Dell PC, so I'll continually press the F12 hotkey on my keyboard to take me into the boots menu on this particular Dell computer. And then in the boots menu, I'll select the USB flash drive with the Hirens Boot CD tool on it to load it on the PC. So this is the tools screen. It looks like a Windows 11. So on the screen, you want to open the utilities folder, open securities folder, open the passwords folder, and then the first tool we're going to look at is the LaserSoft password recovery. When you open that, you want to click the reset Windows password. You can reset a Windows password, or you can find a Windows product key, but we are going to reset a Windows password. Click next, click yes on the pop-up window. From there, you want to click next again, and this would load all the user accounts on this particular PC. Select the user account you want to reset the password, click next, and then click the reset or unlock button, the blue reset or unlock button. When you click that, the password would be cleared from that user account completely, so it will make the password blank. That is what it will do. Click finish when you're done. The next tool we're going to look at is the NT password edit. Double click that, click the three dots button, select the SAM, the security account manager file, and click open. And then again, it would load all the user accounts on the PC. Select the user account you want to edit the password. Click the change password, and then over here, if you want to leave it blank, you can do that and click OK. If you also want to change the password, you can enter a new password and then click OK. When you leave it blank, the password already on the user account would be cleared from it. It will be removed. Click save changes, and then that would be it. So that is the second tool you can use to clear your password or to bypass the password. The last one is the Windows login unlocker. When you double click on that, you want to select the user account that you want to unlock or reset the password. Click the reset or unlock password, and then you can reset your password or you can change your password, just as we saw for the previous two tools. So yes, guys, you can use any of those three to accomplish this, but to me, the first tool is the most easiest one you can use. So click the start, click the restart to restart the PC out of the Hirens Boot CD environments, and then your PC should boot normally into the Windows 11 or the Windows 10 environment. And you can see that I didn't have to enter any password again. It's the PC or the user account is logging in automatically without any password. The password has been cleared. The password has been deleted from that particular user account. So you can see that we are in this user accounts without typing any password. So yes, guys, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video to support us to bring you more of such videos and to grow this community together. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye.